Hello students, today's topic is effects of government purchases and tax changes on the budget surplus. The change in income due to increase in government purchases equal to change in identically multipliers change in G bar. A fraction of that increase in income is collected in the form of taxes, so tax revenue increased by change in tax revenue tax rate times change in equilibrium level of output is multiplier times change in G bar. Therefore, the change in budget surplus is budget surplus is equal to change in taxes minus change in government expenditure. After some calculation, we get to final this result. Change in budget surplus is equal to change in taxes minus change in government expenditure. In the next step, we will write this tax rate times change in equilibrium level of output minus change in G bar. Tax rate times change in equilibrium level of output multiplier times change in G bar minus change in G bar. Now we will take change in G bar from this equation T alpha G minus 1 times change in G bar. In the next step, we will write the value of alpha, which 1 upon 1 minus MPC times tax rate. This is minus 1 change in G bar. In the next step, we will take LCM, so it will be T minus 1 plus MPC 1 minus tax rate, and here is change in G bar. In the next step, we will write 1 minus MPC 1 minus tax rate, and we will take minus 1 common from these terms, so it will be minus 1 minus T plus C 1 minus T and change in G bar. In the next step, this will be 1 minus C 1 minus T, and we will take the 1 minus T common, so it 1 minus T C minus 1 change in G bar. And the last step, we will take 1 minus common from this bracket, it will be minus 1 minus T and 1 minus MPC upon this term change in G bar. This one, okay, which is unambiguously negative. So if G bar increases, then budget surplus will be reduced. If G bar increases, then budget surplus will be reduced, and change in budget surplus change in G bar. If we MPC 0.8, tax rate 2.5, and government expenditure by $1, then change in budget surplus 0.375. You can calculate this using this formula. So thus a $1 increase in government purchases will create a $0.37 reduction in the surplus. In the same way, if tax rate increases, then budget surplus will be increased. This at the reduction, despite the reduction in income it causes. Thank you and subscribe the channel.